This is a campsite, a campground in Barrie. As you can see,
it's fucked.
Not a very good location. Well, somewhere over there is where the river's supposed to be, and now the river is everywhere. What? Look, they're backing up. It's across the road down there.
Why are they backing up?
Because it's fucking flooded.
They're too scared to go. Dude, take a video of that fucking boathouse over there.
Smart asses. A boat playhouse, now it's legit.
Watch, they'll come down here and be like, you can't be down here.
No, they won't. Anybody up for a game of tetherball? Mike, what are we doing here?
Go winch your car out. I'm not sure. Oh, it don't have a freeze. I can't get to this edge.
We're gonna be here all fucking day. Yeah, pull it forward. Put that in your car. I bet you the fire department shows up. Check that shit out. I missed it all. Look at this, he's trying to go through and he's gonna get stuck. What an idiot. Fucking dumbass. I think he's drunk. Going through this river here. See, the only thing is happening there, Tanner.
Some fucking drunken old man decided he wasn't waiting for nobody. He went fuck through.
There, good Samaritan. There you go.
Hey, that's why that hole's there.
No troubles.